Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. In this video, we're going to solve a common HVAC problem. How to calculate CFM for a home using air changes per hour. The example. Let's say we have a 1,600 square foot house with 8-foot ceilings. It needs 0.35 air changes per hour for proper ventilation. Step 1. Find the volume. Multiply the floor area by the ceiling height, 1,600 pounds 8 equals 800 cubic feet. That's the total volume of the house. Step 2. Apply the H now, multiply the volume by the air changes per hour. 800 d 0.35 equals 4,480. This gives you the total cubic feet of air that needs to move each hour. Step 3. Convert to CFM to get CFM, cubic feet per minute. Divide by 60.440, 60 equals 74.67 CFM. So this house needs about 75 CFM of airflow to meet the ventilation requirement. Final recap. Volume Il 1,600 South 8 equals 12,800 Fallon. 3. Multiply by ACH. 12,800 Bowsons 0.35 equals 4,480. Convert to minutes. 4,480. 60 equals 74.67 CFM. Now you know how to size a system using CFM based on a real home example. Want to keep learning? Grab the book, check the site, and hit subscribe. HVAC book MarylandVACRepair.com at Maryland HVAC Repair.